Hi everyone, today I am going to share with you my BoxyCharm Plus, which is our premium. I'll write the name right here. This box is only delivered once a quarter, so it is a much larger box. I think there are 8 full items. I enjoy receiving it because of its extra products that it has. Let's see what's in it. Ooh. So it comes with your BoxyCharm list right here with everything that's in the box and its value. This is how much I paid for the box, and right here is the total value of the box. So you know right away that it is a good deal. So yay. Let's start with Beauty Bakerie Cotton Candy Champagne Blush Palette. Woo! That value is $38. Oh, it's huge and it's so fun. Look at it. Cotton candy, champagne. It has a blush lighter palette. One of those little fun items to receive. So there's like a little snap on the side. And voila! With champagne. I love this stuff. I have so much blush and eye products. I don't know what to do with all this stuff, but I just wanted to show you. It doesn't have a mirror, but it has this cute little, the Sweet Life. Okay, toasting to the Sweet Life. So cute. I know my Canadian viewers know exactly what that means. And here are the 4 different colors. Looks like we have a couple right here. Is this a little glossy? Let's try. Yeah, that one has a little bit of gloss in it. Sorry, I'm just gonna use my hands because I'm trying to quickly do this. It's summertime, you guys. I don't know how you all are handling summer, but we are so busy. Let's just chat, shall we? I started a swimming class because of my bad knee, so I love it. It feels like summertime. I just feel like a child. I go in there, I wear like a big rash all the way down, and I wear pants because nobody needs to see my legs really, and I go full out. I know a lot of the ladies in there are much older than me, and they are struggling to keep up, but they're doing it, they're moving, and you can just burn so many calories doing it. So I've been just going 3 times a week. I could go 5, but I'm going 3 times a week. So that means my hair is a complete crazy mess. I do use this Sunshield for my hair, but it's hard to find. So if I find a link to it, I will put it down in the description. But I've had it for a while. I don't even remember where I bought it, how I got it. But I try to use that to keep my hair from just going crazy because it's been in chlorinated water all the time. And my kids and I have so many activities. My son is supposed to teach me how to play the cello. It's not happening. And I'm supposed to teach him and my middle child Portuguese. It hasn't happened either. We started writing summer journals, which is not really, it's just a summer writing assignment. And I have the cutest notebook. I might insert a picture here if I take a picture. It's just so cute, and I bought special pencils, so we all picked our little writing utensils. We're gonna go on a couple of trips, and we have to schedule everything and camps and this and that. So I've gone crazy. So I'm actually filming this from my computer. Anyway, I'm glad you guys don't mind taking the time to chat with me, but it's been a long day, but I'm loving it, every moment of it. And I have happy news from my family in Brazil as well. The news are not mine to share, but I'm pretty happy about that as well. If you haven't seen this fabulousness right here, I have a video that will come out soon, so subscribe to make sure that you don't miss out on anything and see where I got this gorgeous necklace. Yay. Alright, let's try the next product. Dew of the Gods Fijifuji Collagen with Vitamin Mask. So, has hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, and lychee extract to brighten. It has a Fiji vibe, let's just say that. And here it is, Dew of the Gods. How pretty. Collagen with vitamin mask. I will not open this just yet because I will maybe open it when I am applying it for you guys later on. But it looks like fun. It looks beautiful with that glass. Look at that. And the mask itself is just the right color. Can't wait to try it on. And I'll let you guys know how it feels. Nars Iconic Lipstick. No rules, just lips, a new formula. It has passion fruit seed oil and moringa seed oil. Okay, let's try. This is what it looks like. Let's see what it looks like on your lips. Does this look like a regular size lipstick to you? Must be. Oh, yeah, it is. Oh. It looks peachy. So it might not go with my cheeks, but let's see. I like it. It does not transfer well. I feel like I have to go over it several times before the lip color shows. See, not even on my hand. Interesting. But there is a shimmer to it. See that? Look at that shimmer. So it's more of a shimmer than a color transfer. Maybe if the light is just right. Also, I'm using the computer camera. I see it. It has a little color. But it is, I think you're wearing it for the shimmery look. It does have a gorgeous shimmery summertime look. I think that was really pretty on my, if you see the shimmer part. Yeah, like that. When light hits it, just so I don't have a light hitting it right now, so you cannot see. Alright, let's see. What's the next one? Elemis Clarifying Clay Wash. See, guys? BoxyCharm just is a bomb because they do have like the best product lines for more mature skin. Oh, it's a huge Elemis Clarifying Clay Wash. Skin cleaning facial wash. It's made with boulder leaf, clay, and hawthorn, and it cleanses, purifies, and balances. Deeply cleanses your pores and reduces the look of blemishes with this purifying facial wash. It's a wash, really. So I'm looking forward to trying that one as well. My youngest son has had blackheads, so I'm going to try it on him. Why not, right? I'll let you know how that turns out. Keys So Care Let Me Glow Illuminating Priming Serum. Ooh. And it has niacinamide in it. Oh, I think this would be so much fun. This one right here. Again, a full-size product. Illuminates and plumps. I think this is a fantastic product. I will do a makeup using it, and we'll do like a tutorial. Look at how gorgeous that is with the purple plum ombre color. You know, my friend Lisa, she has Peaches Skincare, and she does have the most beautiful products. They're all organic, they're clean, small batches. And the packaging on her products, even though they are high-end products because they are medical grade, she owns several spas, her packaging is not as glamorous as this stuff because she's worried about the environment, so she tries to do as little of a carbon footprint as she possibly can. Her products are very earthy and they don't look as expensive as the inside product goodness is. You know, everything is natural. But I still love looking at this. There's something wasteful about my soul. I just think this is so pretty. Even though I love her products, I just love packaging. I have an addiction. So this is supposed to be an illuminating, a primer-like product. Ooh, look at that. Looks like it might have those reflecting beads in them so that you get a gloss. Look at that. That is beautiful. Can't wait to try it on for you guys on my face. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. It does have a scent. So I don't know if it's all natural. It should be all natural. The scent are just the botanicals in it. Feels very hydrating. Almost oily. The botanicals smell delicious. So, really love that. 3 more products to go. Let's see. Patrick Ta or Tay. So it's a high shine lip gloss that is universally flattering for all colors of skin. And it has a cushion and slip-on lip balm for zero stickiness. Ooh, I'm gonna try it. Why not? Oh, it's so beautiful. Look at that. Glossiness. Just gonna put it on real quick. I feel so luxurious putting these products on. Smells like cake, which is not my favorite. It does have a mintiness to it, maybe plums. It's pretty, although I was pretty happy with just the lipstick from Nars. I thought that was a gorgeous shade, even though it was very subtle. I want to be without my glasses, but I just simply can't read anymore without my glasses. Let's see. Day or DAE Cactus for Leave-In Conditioner. I totally need that, guys. This time of the year is crazy. Conditioner may provide heat protection for up to 450 degrees. Awesome. The botanical blend also prevents breakage and repairs damage, enhances shine, and increases softness. Plus, it carries Day's signature citrus scent, aka smells heavenly. Let's see what that smells like. First of all, here it is. I've never used this brand before, never heard of it, but obviously it's well known. Oh, it smells. Okay, there's this one fruit in Brazil called maracujá, which is just, we drink juices, and it was my favorite ice cream flavor when I was a kid. So it's that fruity yumminess that I can sense, but it's called cactus flower. I wonder if maracujá and cactus flowers is the same thing. You are supposed to leave in, so my wet hair, I would put it on and just leave it in. I will definitely try that for you as well. Alright, for the very last product, UV Beauty Limited Collection. The BU collection includes 3 full-size and 3 mini antibacterial blenders to keep your skin cleaner and prettier by preventing bacterial growth throughout. The cloud-like texture sets your makeup while also preserving your costly creams, liquids, and powders. Developed in support and solidarity with the LGBTQ community, where you can always be proud to be you. $65, and I still don't know what it's for. They call it UV Beauty. We want to empower and dare you to be your true self. So you're supposed to wet, then squeeze out excess water, blend makeup by using a light bouncing motion for the perfect glowy coverage. Okay, I get it. So kind of like I do that when, they're little sponges and they have lots of them and they're multiple sizes. So just, so you can blend your makeup, get them wet, squeeze it out, And after you put your foundation and such on, it's always good to remove the excess with like a little wet sponge, and you just kind of go. Okay, I love it. And I love it that they did the pride colors. So cute. Love the idea, and ideal for the June box. Yay, this was a fantastic treat, and I really enjoyed opening it. I'll put the links in the description. If you have any questions or any products or boxes you would like me to review, just let me know. Looking forward to seeing you guys soon.